Hey everyone, if you're watching this video in the morning, afternoon, or night, good day. How was your day? So this is a tutorial for those of us that will be using our laptop to impute our student uh, results. So I'm going to send the files to the group so that we can have it there now. So when you launch it on your, you must have a Microsoft Word on your system. Please, if you don't have, let me know on time. So here at this side we see where we have name of student, so you type in the name. As you can see, I'm typing John Abel. So you can actually delete it and type any other thing. So in the session, as you can see, just by clicking there, you can type in the section 2024/2025. Then also for the class GSS1, then just click on the box and type in the required information. See, very straightforward and easy. Just type, see, new, just put in the informations, even the end of the term, the next term, when you have done with your attendance booklet. Just input all those things by just clicking there, and the cursor will be blinking for you to type and put in the important data inside. So that's how to just put in those informations. Then of course, I believe we have our first CA test, which we have in our broadsheet. So here you can just impute those first CA tests in the first CA corner, then the second CA, and of course we'll be waiting for the exam, and finally the total. Now, as you can see, so we have the subjects there, the marks obtainable. Now we have the, you can put in the subject, the scores, as you are seeing here. Just click on that cell and it will enable you to write the score just the way I'm doing it right now. So just for you to impute the score. Now for those of us that want to use Excel to impute this, then you can copy and paste. You can just type in the questions inside here to save you some time, so that you will not be complicated for us. But later, if you want to know how to type in Excel and bring it and paste it here, it's I will also do a video on that later. It's very easy, so I expect that I should be able to just put in, type in your numbers, and that's all. So you do the same thing for the second CA and you wait for the exam. So when the exam comes, you just have just only the exam slots to really type in that box. So let me just move further. So here we have the classroom score, the psychomotor score. Below we have the score. Poor is 1, weak 2, good is 3. You are familiar with all these things. We are familiar with it. So you just put the numbers based on the score of the child, like the punctuality, the class attendance, and so on. Then the teacher's comments, you just click on it and type the teacher's comments. Now this tutorial is for those of us using the laptop, which I would recommend. If you have a laptop, you just I'll send the document where we can start typing immediately. So it's very easy and straightforward. Now where we need to, as you can see, where we need to now focus more is how to save each student's results. That is where you need to be as teachers, we need to also be very, very careful. And in this area, you need to be careful. So you need to just click on save as. Save as. You click on file and click on save as. Now you click on browse. Then in that section where you have file name, you need to now type the child's name. Now let's go back and see the name of this child. Now here there is no name, as you can see, name of the student, no name. Now let's type a name. Let's type John Abel. So this result is John Abel's result. Okay, we want to save this one. We go back to file and click on save as. Now we click on browse. So now we need to now change the name to John Abel JSS1 first term results. John Abel JSS1 first term results. It's compulsory we write first term results so that we can identify it when we are copying it. First term results. So you click on save. After you are done typing, just click on save. So now we have saved that one for John Abel. Now after we have now input another student's own, after we have removed all these scores, and because you have to remove all these scores and input a new student's own score, then you have to now change the name, because every student have his own information, so it's not the same. So now here you change the name. You change it. Let's say I use Hassan Quadri. So this is because if you don't do that, you will be saving the same score of the previous student. So when you've changed all the score and every other thing, this the number of days the child was present and the position and of course the locomotive and all of that, you change the name. So the first thing you need to do is to change the child's name. Now once you do that, you come back to file and click save as. Again, save as. Now you click on the browse, then now you change the name again to Hassan Quadri GSS1 first term results. So in this area now, sorry, excuse me, you must be very, very careful when you are imputing these results, just as how we are always careful when we are imputing the child result in the broadsheet. It's still the same thing. All of them have different score, and but in the computer you must save them based on their name. So now I'm saving as an Quadri GSS1 first term results. So I click on save. So now it has saved two files differently. Now if you go to your computer where it is saved, now this is where I save it. You don't need to, anywhere it's saved you can locate it on your computer, so you don't need to worry. Now I'll go to where I saved it on my system, where it's saved. As you can see, we have Hassan Quadri's results and John Abel's results. You see the two of them, but it was from one we created the two. So it's very easy for us to do this video, and it will really make it faster. So now you can just type another child's name, input another child's score, change every other thing based on what you have on your paper broadsheet, and you are good to go. So I hope this tutorial has helped us to know how to input our results. Please click on save as if you want to save the name of the student, and I believe it will be easy for us to do. So thank you very much and have a lovely day.